Now, I can't see Jordan. I wouldn't have seen Jordan the way the Racing Planet has set the course up. It's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it. All this, no suffering, no. It's a good suffering.
Number one rule for following the course is follow the pink flags. As easy as that. Just run your own race, stick to the path, and you'll get there.
Like I told you, this is a long march. It's dedicated to my wife, Ileana. And each day of the 4 stages before is for one of my kids. First, Michela, the first one. Second one, Martino, Lucio, and Bianca. And this is the final one. So this is for my family. Thank you. I love them.
Very pleased to be invited by Racing the Planet to see this. This is an experience for life, really.